don't work that way? Can't you just see?
I don't want to be a sandwich.
I don't want to be a king. I'm a king. I'm a knight. Charge!
Where's Mallory? Go tell her to come.
Okay. Hey, Mallory! Yep.
You're not talking to me.
Where's Buzz?
He's outside. Want me to bring Buzz back in? Huh? Are you ready to come in, Buzz? How?
Don't shut him in the door.
Don't mash him.
I'm gonna fight with Buzz. Me and Buzz are having a fight party. Hey! Ready, Buzz?
I don't hit him with that. Dylan, I said don't hit him
did
with
it.
that. Dylan, you're scaring him. Now quit. That's not the way you do those fellas either.
How do you know it works? We're going to try it right now.
Dodge!
You still didn't give me a total description. Quit that, Buzz.
That Buzz.